my kitchen. My name is Sherry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade hummus. So up until about a year ago, I didn't even like hummus, and I think finally a friend of mine had brought some that someone had made, and I tried it, and I thought, well, this isn't too bad. So I realized it wasn't that I didn't like hummus, I just didn't like the store-bought brand. So I figured out how to make it myself, and then I've kind of just been experimenting with flavors ever since. So this is my absolute favorite. It is a Siracha and roasted red pepper hummus. And you can do this with kind of just about any kind of flavors. The only things that you really need is your chickpeas, or garbanzo beans as they call them, and then your tahini. So the beans, this is a 15.5 ounce can. So it says chickpeas or garbanzo beans at the bottom. So you find these right next to like your chili beans or any other type of bean in your supermarket. So I have 2 cans of those that I've already drained, and I'm going to add those to my blender. And then the other thing that you need is tahini. So this is actually, and it's kind of, I always stir it up because it tends to be like peanut butter, how it separates, which is funny because I forgot where I've bought it in the past. This usually lasts me quite a while. And the other day I was in the grocery store and I was asking everybody it was. And 3 people in the store told me they didn't sell it. Well, I found it. And it was next to the peanut butter, which I think is odd. I mean, I guess maybe it's not. I just thought it would be with, I don't know where I thought it would be. Not next to the peanut butter. Anyway, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of our tahini. And then, and so this recipe is pretty much just to taste. I'm going to include the full description, I'm going to include the full recipe in the description below. So I'm adding a couple of teaspoons of lemon juice. Using my Pampered Chef citrus press that I love. And then I have a whole cup of roasted red peppers that I've already drained. We're going to add a little bit of salt. We're going to add a little bit of sriracha. Yeah, really, I think the hardest part about making this is finding the tahini. And then we're going to add a little bit of honey for sweetness. So you could leave this out if you don't like the sweetness. It's obvious I like sweetness. I put a lot of honey in there. And then a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And then one last thing is just a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley that I'm going to rip off and toss in there. And there you have it. So I'm just going to scrape my scraper off. All right, we're going to replace the lid, and then we're just going to give this a whirl, and that's all there is to it. All right, this looks good. Take the lid off and give it a taste. Make sure my seasonings are good. Make sure we don't need to add anything. A little piece of parsley there. Tastes good to me. We need some pretzels. That's what we need. Taste this with a little pretzel. That is fabulous. So much better than what you get at the store. So I encourage you to give this a try because it's really easy to make. And again, you can use different flavors. If you don't like hummus, I think you might change your mind with this. And if you already like hummus, I think you'll fall in love with these flavors. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.